Hey guys, so welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how we can create a 64-bit application as a MSI for upgrading our existing application version. So we'll take a help of Superdense. So what is a Superdense in a SCCM? So it's a application management configuration manager lets you to upgrade or replace existing application by using Superdense relationship. When you supersede an application, you specify new deployment type to replace the deployment type of the supersede application. So scenario, your organization having a mixed endpoint or workstation called a 32-bit and 64-bit devices. So as of now we have successfully installed 7-zip version 1900, but I mentioned 1234 just for example. But take an example that if you want to upgrade with the latest version, how we can accomplish this task. So supersede will upgrade and replace the application. So create a 7-zip application for new version 32-bit with the same step which we used for our previous video. So let's move back to our SCCM server. So now this time we are going to create a new version 64-bit application. Okay, so log on to your SCCM server, open server configuration manager console. From workspace area, click on software library, application management, application. So right now we have a 7-zip 1900, but this time we are going to create a latest version. Okay, so first we need to check what is the latest version. So just access your application directory. So as our software application are stored there, so we need to select a 64-bit application. So this time we need to upgrade our application with a 2103. Okay, so copy the path and paste it here. Click on next. This is a digital signature warning. Click yes. Again next. Here we need to define the name like a 7-zip x64 or you can say new. Okay, as we have already the previous one, and you can see that this is the version 21.03, and publisher it will automatically pick, or if you want you can define the publisher name. Software version is a 21.03. Administrative command if you want, this is the installation program, the command line is like a silent installation. So install behavior is a install for system, then click next, again next, and click on close. Okay, so now we need to right click on this application properties, so the first thing that is already pick the name, and if you want you can type some administrative comments. And the main thing that we need to check this option, allow this application to be installed from a task sequence action without being deployed. Okay, click apply. Now you need to review all these tabs, and if you want you can change the icon. If you have an icon for the application, you can select the icon from a application catalog, or you can fill more information as much as you can, and the reference, distribution settings, deployment types. So it's a deployment type 32-bit application, and content location there is a supersede. Okay, so From Superdense we need to click on add. So from the superseded application, so we need to click on browse. We need to select the application. So you can see that the application version is a 1900. So select the application, then click OK. And from here you can see that we have a all deployment type is a 7-zip 190 64-bit edition MSI. Do not replace, uninstall. Or we have another option. We can install this one with 7-zip 2103. Okay, so select both the options and click OK. Again apply. If you want you can uninstall if you want, but it's totally depend upon the organization requirement. Some wants to keep their older and upgrade, and some wants to clear the existing one and then update. Okay, so now click apply, then OK. So now we are done with all these things. Right now it's time to deploy the application. Software application from here. Right now we need to select the new application. Okay, as we have already superseded this application, so just right click on the application, click on deploy, collection. We need to change from user collection to device collection. From here you need to select the collection. So as of now we have created a Windows laptop where we installed that version 1900. So select the collection, then click OK, then next. From distribution point setting we need to click on add distribution point, select your server or location where all these applications are stored, click OK and next. And the default setting, that is action install and purpose available, and then check automatically upgrade any superseded version of the application. So we need to select this option, automatically upgrade any superseded version of application, then click next. Choose as soon as possible after the available time. Okay, click next. If you want you can make some changes. Next and close. So now we need to wait, and let's move back to our Windows client computer. I know this will take some time, but open a software center. If you click on control panel, you can see right now we have a 7-zip 1900. And if we'll open our software center, still the old one is there, 1900, but this will updated with the 2103, I think. Yeah, so we need to wait. If you don't want to wait, you can run the action. Control panel, configuration manager. It's not, so we can open a control panel, then configuration manager, action, software inventory cycle, software update, deployment and evaluations. Okay, now we need to open a software center again. It's still not updated, so we need to wait. I'm going to pause the video and be back. So guys, I run like a action items and reboot my computer 2 to 3 times, and there is another way that we can check from a SCCM trace. So first open a CM trace tool, access your server, SMS your site code, tools, CM trace, just copy it and paste it because this is a key of troubleshooting. So open a tool, yes, make it a default. File, open this PC, uh, Windows, and this time let me find that tool name. It's called a app enforce log. So files, open this PC, Windows, SCCM, and logs, app enforce. Okay, so we need to open these logs, and yeah, so here we can see that it start detecting the 7-zip. Okay, so it's starting the enforcement for app dt and 7-zip 2103, the addition Windows installer MSI file. So if we'll click on last, so app enforcement second, this is on a Windows installer deployment. Okay, so with this tool, if you see any kind of error, so you can select the error and then you can review the error code. So now just open a software center, it should be there, application. So yeah, so now you can see that we have a 7-zip 2103 64 new, so it's already replaced. We don't need to install it, it will automatically install. So now let's again verify this. Control panel, add remove programs. So here we go, 7-zip 2103. So earlier it was 1900. So guys, in this way we can use a supersede functionality. So thanks for watching this video, have a nice day, bye bye.